Are you having difficulty going up and down stairs because of pain in your knee? Are you starting not to trust your knee because you're afraid it might buckle on you? Do you have trouble walking or standing for any length of time, maybe not even making it to your mailbox without your knee bothering you? Are you now asking yourself if you're going to need knee surgery? If you are, then I have a special event I would like to invite you to. It's the brand new free knee pain workshop that I'm hosting here at Orthopedic and Balance Therapy. I am Dr. Arlan Alburo, and here's what you will learn at the knee pain workshop. Number one, we will discuss the most common causes, the 3 most common causes of knee pain, and what to do about it without having to rely on medications, injections, or surgery. Number 2, we will discuss the 3 most common approaches people take when it comes to their knee pain. One of those approaches stops them from healing and does them more harm than good. Finally, number 3, I will share with you self-help techniques you can do on your own to get you on the road to recovery and healing your knee pain and getting back to the things that you love to do on a daily basis. So click the sign up button below, input your information, and we'll save a spot for you for the upcoming free knee pain workshop. Looking forward to seeing you at the workshop. I will see you then.